Here are the headlines of the day. Election Commission to announce schedule for general elections 2024 on March 16th. NPP MP candidate Ampreen Lingdo takes a dig at VPP, asks Voice of the People Party not to divide people's mindset. Port Town shopping complex to soon get interlocking concrete block pavement. CIET and CERT NERI hold All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition at Nongsdare to integrate digital technologies for educational purposes to achieve SDG 4.0. National Law University Meghalaya extends reach to aspiring students in Sri Lanka. The Election Commission will announce the schedule for the Lok Sabha polls tomorrow, March 16th. The announcement will be made in the afternoon at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. Along with the Lok Sabha polls, the Commission will also declare the schedule for the Assembly polls in some states. The term of the current Lok Sabha will be ending on the 16th of June this year. In 2019, the Lok Sabha elections were held in 7 phases during April and May. It is expected that this time also polling will be conducted in several phases in the months of April and May. President Draupadi Murmu has said that India deeply values its multifaceted partnership with Bhutan, and it will continue to be guided by Bhutan's priorities and aspirations. She said partnership between the two nations spans across energy cooperation, development partnership, people-to-people relations, trade and investment linkages. The Prime Minister of Bhutan, Dasho Tshering Topkay, today called on President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan. During the meeting, the President said that India and Bhutan enjoy a close and unique relationship based on mutual trust, goodwill and understanding. Health Minister and MP candidate of the National People's Party for the Shillong parliamentary seat, Dr. Maisel Ampreen Lingdo yesterday took a jibe at the Voice of the People's Party, suggesting the latter to refrain from dividing the mindset of the common people. Speaking at the meeting of the NPP Mau-Kerwad Block Committee in Mau-Kerwad, Lingdo said that MLAs have been given the right to represent their constituencies at the Assembly, to stand up and raise issues but not to take issues to the streets. With Mau-Kerwad MDC Karnas Soshang and his supporters joining the NPP, Lingdo called upon the party members to work together in order to ensure that the party wins the upcoming MP election.
Lada kadang kata corruption ban sulong against the ya sarkar la jong ni dong ni lama ke jingdon opposition ni ju yang ki ban supon dan be ya sarkar kadang vi dalam dia.
NPP leader and Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Penyat Singh's aim has expressed confidence that the party will win the upcoming MP election from Shillong parliamentary constituency. Speaking at the meeting of the NPP Mau-Kerwad Block Committee at Mau-Kerwad yesterday, Aim said that the NPP continues to grow in Meghalaya, notwithstanding a torrent of accusations. Meanwhile, NPP State Working President of the NPP and former Minister Hamletson Darling on Thursday condemned the President of the Voice of the People's Party, Arden Basayamod, for reportedly disrespecting church elders or Timen Basan by accusing them of distributing alcohol during elections. He said the faithfuls belonging to the Presbyterian Church cannot accept this accusation as the Timen Basan are considered as fathers of the Church.
Bahwa MP election ru ngin sayo ya katong hakan ikan timan ta. Ini yang kita parti independen condemn. Yagi the children of Labra, children of Bamburanchu, Yagi Nangan Jockey Palam, Kamtam Kavan Presbyterian. The Bamburan will be Janium, Need of Mount Presbyterian, Yagi Timbasan, you can go kick Palam, John Kabalam. You don't sign your John Kabalam, you don't pray to John Monsieur.
Director of Urban Affairs Department E. Karmalki today laid the foundation stone for an interlocking concrete block pavement to be utilized as parking space in front of the Nongpor Town Shopping Complex in Riboy district. The allocation of funds for the project amounts to an estimated Rs 10 lakh, sanctioned by the State Urban Affairs Department. In his address, Director E. Karmalki commended the proactive stance of the Nongpor Town Committee and emphasized that it was through their initiative that the plan to improve urban infrastructure is taking shape. Furthermore, he highlighted the department's ongoing efforts to enhance facilities within the town for the community's welfare.
This year, Pakani Town Committee akan membangun yang di It's known with traditional way of ruling the people or governing the people. They come starting the car, and they come up with a urban, semi urban. Hirang urban menuju kuat, jauh traditional dekat konsensya nasional dalam bertunggal, menuju kebahagiaan akan kehidupan setelah ini.
National Law University Meghalaya is breaking new ground in its quest for inclusive legal education by extending its reach to aspiring students in Sri Lanka. In a move to welcome candidates from Sri Lanka, National Law University Meghalaya has announced admission tests for its undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs for the academic year 2024. Scheduled to take place on the 20th of April 2024, the tests will be held at Gateway College, Colombo. The Indian High Commission has stated that this initiative underscores NLU Meghalaya's commitment to nurturing the next generation of legal professionals and scholars through a diverse range of academic programs. The Central Institute of Educational Technology, CIET and CERT New Delhi, in collaboration with Northeast Regional Institute of Education, is organizing the All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition on March 15th and 16th at Neri Campus, Nongsder, Omyam. The competition is fueled by the spirit of integrating digital technologies for educational purposes to achieve the Sustainable Development Goal 4.0 of providing inclusive and equitable quality education and opportunities for lifelong learning for all, and the National Education Policy's emphasis on promoting digital pedagogy and proposes various circular and extension activities for making our teachers digital teachers. Addressing the gathering as the chief guest, NEHU Vice-Chancellor Professor P.S. Shukla highlighted the benefits that come along with the NEP 2020, stating that it enables the youth to understand, learn and disseminate the Internet indigenous knowledge system.
Minds. Everybody have the intellect, everybody have the mind. It's depend on individual how they are going to utilize their mind in the right perspective for developing the career of their own children as well as the children and youth of the country.
B.K. Bajoria School hosted a maths festival titled Mathematical Marvels, a Festival of Numbers, Shapes and Patterns on Thursday. Students from various schools participated in this vibrant celebration of numerical exploration and problem solving. The Maths Festival showcased the beauty and versatility of mathematics through engaging activities, games and captivating exhibits. The event igniting curiosity and enthusiasm for mathematics among students who delved into various branches of mathematics, from algebra and geometry through probability and beyond, in a fun and accessible manner. The engaging activities and experiences instilled confidence and curiosity in the students, laying the foundation for lifelong learning and achievement. In the Cricket Women's Premier League 2024, Royal Challengers Bangalore will face Mumbai Indians in the eliminator match today at Arun Jaitley Stadium in New Delhi. The match will begin at 7:30 p.m. The winning team will face Delhi Capitals in the final match on this upcoming Sunday. In the last match played between the two teams on the 12th of March, Royal Challengers Bangalore defeated the Mumbai Indians by 7 wickets. Bangalore's Elise Perry got the Player of the Match title for the brilliant all-round performance. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 23.2 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 10.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 56%, while it was 44% in the evening. And the forecast says light to moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. Election Commission to announce schedule for General Elections 2024 on March 16th. NPP MP candidate Ampreen Lingdor takes a dig at VPP, asks Voice of the People Party not to divide people's mindset. Nongpur Town Shopping Complex to soon get interlocking concrete block pavement. CIET and CERT NERI hold all India's children's educational e-content competition at Longstead to integrate digital technologies for educational purposes to achieve SDG 4.0. National Law University Meghalaya extends reach to aspiring students in Sri Lanka. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.